Hi guys, so this is a second attempt to making my video. My video was removed by TikTok, so I'm gonna make it very brief because I've actually posted about this on YouTube. So run to YouTube and you'll find the full video I've posted. The MK has fired their Treasurer General. The reason why I'm making this video and I found interest is because this is part of the things that Jabulani Khumalo said on Political Incorrect. Shout out to Mashian. He did say that the Treasurer General was going. SG is gone. He mentioned that Hlophe has resigned. He mentioned that Duduzane is the deputy president. And people were like, oh no, he's crazy. It's crazy that you listen to him. Dun 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 dun. That again, valani af. Into esizawenza xa siza tiqakumane letters on nizawuze leak. That's one thing about you guys. You're gonna keep on leaking the letters. Every time you leak the letters, like ngoku. That podcast that you recorded with Umashiane, they shot that episode on the 19th of December. The TG is being fired on the, what's the date? On the 8th, you see. Let me see if I can read. I don't know why TikTok has taken down my video. I'm so bored. But as so I'm not gonna read the whole thing anymore. But they list his reasons why Bengako helping guy. But when firstly, number one, failure by our treasury to budget and allocate expenditure accordingly. A lack of financial discipline, a failure by Treasury to raise funds even after 9 months as the TG, self-admissions by TG that is not qualified. It is on Zumzekelo up ezantsi. It, for example, a case was made by Comrade Andy from Eastern Cape in the 4th quarter of 2025 where you unilaterally decided to transfer funds out of the Eastern Cape legislature account. So apparently UTG wathatha imali kwi-account ye-Eastern Cape legislature wayisebenzisa. And apparently he did the same nakwi-account yase-KZN. But kule paragraph yokugqibela, I'm just going to read the last paragraph. It says here, given all facts as clearly stated above, you are hereby discharged from your duties as the Treasurer General of Umkhonto weSizwe with immediate effect. We thank you for your past contributions. While serving as MK Treasurer General, we wish you well with your future endeavors. So, this is exactly what Jabulani Khumalo said. I'm not going to touch those clips anymore because I'm not sure about these clips. But yeah, that's what's up, Betun. You can go to my YouTube channel. You'll find the full story there where I read everything. But it's yakal.